Kasor Jowai kabadai kanong ba jong karilom jentia kabalamat ikjinge shibun hakini ki khniat bnai ha kabadai bat ka khoi kasuba namat ba umsham ladon jaka the ni bret ñiut hanrei ka kyang nang ba government college Jowai kalong kabadan bok kabalayo ya ka jaka pelang ñiut balasna Lyngba katanat public work department kani ka jaka pelang ñiut kadai kabalai rap dau MLA ka Jowai ba wailat miki shila bat ya kani ka jaka pelang ñiut ru la pli da mu uhi ha ka arpnai trek bnai nai weng harangkat ka lang ba bibla CEO ka Jowai municipal board ka Dr. MLA principal ka kyang nang ba government college Jowai kinong hikai ki khna school bat kiwei kinong yelam ka kyang nang ba government college student union Lyngba president Uprecious Star Sten bat Lyngba ka principal ka Dr. MLA kipan pau ka jingso ngu yo mali ubal simkhia ban pen ulong ya kani ka jingdon kam ka college ka ba kilalik ngau hau nakaliang ba welat miki ulapan pau ya ka jingmen ba kinong yelam student union jong kani ka college ki wan ban karpa no u ban pynïoh jaka pelang ñiut bat ulapan pau ru ka jingmen ba ki union ba menta jong kani ka college ki dei bos ngau thu bat yu ijnga ya ka jingdon kam ba khmat e jong ka college ha ka bai dei bat ka khui ka suba
I might not able to do what you expect, but I have tried. And especially with all the challenges during my tenure as an MLA. As you remember, MLA, we get to serve for 5 years. But out of that 5 years also, 2 years were during pandemic. And with the natural calamities and with the coalition government, it's not easy to represent from Jowai, where here in the district there are 5 constituencies. Out of that 5, 3 of the representatives are ministers. So it's not easy for me to, at the same time, with all these challenges, to get whatever we need. But I'm very hopeful that during this term as well, the people of Jowai and all of you will give me another chance. As I have tried, as I have huge expectation for this college. So we'll continue to work hand in hand, and I'm very confident in the able leadership of the union, especially this time. When they come to me, I was so surprised, and I'm very happy as well that this time you have a very good union that who understand the need of the college, who understand means how, because sometimes we forget, we always, when we feel that no, when we are in the union or when you become a members of NGOs, we tend to have that feeling that no, whatever they will do, we need to protest. That the intention they used to have. But I'm very happy to when the union first came to meet me, when I hear from them their ideas, their desire, I was very happy. And I'm very confident, like I said, we will work together and we'll try to fulfill or achieve whatever the need of this college.